if you know the story of the film, it's about the transformation of human beings into something different under the influence of an alien force, which is not seen nor felt or whatever. I mean, so it is a very difficult thing to design because there is nothing palpable, there is nothing actually tactile that you can hang on to. Um, and obviously, I was using Reformer Pro quite a lot because people that are being affected by the alien force are changing, and their voices are also supposed to change. So we would actually merge those voices of the few people that merged together. And there were also some animals involved in the whole story. The main character is actually growing alpacas on his farm. And so we were mixing all this stuff together, and Reformers seemed to me quite a logical thing to use in order to get all these voices together. Now, obviously, when we started doing that, we got very much enthusiastic about it. So our first screening was very, very much overdone. You know, it was way out there, and then we had to actually bring it back and to size it down a little bit to get the right effect between the real voices, other kind of transformations that we were using, and the Reformer Pro. And the second thing we were using in a very important moment of the film is when the main character, which is played by Nicolas Cage, freaks out completely, gets mad, and starts to kill the monster, which is actually which are actually transformed members of his own family. So he gets himself a shotgun. And the producers specifically said that the shotgun sound has to be something completely different, you know, from what was heard before ever in the film industry. And that's where we were using the weaponizer. Actually, all the shots, all the firearms, especially that shotgun, were actually designed using the weaponizer. And because none of them is exactly the same, and the last one has to be really the biggest one, had to be the biggest one. And so we were able to do that, I'd say, to gradually increase the impact that we were getting from our shotguns.